Washington. The 170 million TikTok users in the U.S. were in for a rude awakening late Saturday night, when the enormously popular video-sharing app became inaccessible because of a law passed by a bipartisan majority in Congress last year. TikTok voluntarily shut down service to its users ahead of Sunday's ban. Users in the U.S. who opened the app were greeted with a message with the headline, "Sorry, TikTok isn't available right now." A law banning TikTok has been enacted in the U.S., the message reads. Unfortunately, that means you can't use TikTok for now. We are fortunate that President Trump has indicated that he will work with us on a solution to reinstate TikTok once he takes office. Please stay tuned. TikTok was also no longer available in the Apple or Google Play stores. CBS News has reached out to TikTok for comment. Lawmakers and U.S. officials have sounded the alarm for years about the supposed risks that TikTok's to China pose to national security, and Congress moved last year to force TikTok's Chinese parent company, ByteDance, to sell its stake in the app or be cut off from the U.S. market. The law gave the company a deadline of Jan. 19, one day before a new president would take office. With no sign of a sale in sight, TikTok's last-ditch legal challenge failed on Friday when the Supreme Court said the law does not violate the First Amendment. The 90-day extension is something that will be most likely done, because it's appropriate, he said in the phone interview, adding, "If I decide to do that, I'll probably announce it on Monday.